Hello everyone. Today we're going to show you how to record your presentation using Zoom. To start, you first need to schedule a Zoom meeting. You can do that using your online Zoom account, or you can do that using a Zoom application that you have previously installed on your desktop. I used my online Zoom account and scheduled a meeting, very basic meeting with basic settings. And I'm going to start it right now. Once it's open, it would ask me to join with audio options. You could either join with your computer audio, your built-in mic, or you can join with an external speaker or microphone. I personally would prefer to go with computer audio because it gives me better sound quality. But if you have an external microphone or speaker and you would prefer to use it, just make sure it's plugged in and connected. Once you're here, just check if you're seeing any green markers here on this mic. This means that Zoom is actually reading your voice. You can do the same for video to test your video. Now to start your presentation, just make sure you have it open and on the first page. Then go to Zoom and press Share Screen. Once you're here, you have two sharing options. You can share your entire screen, which would share everything that you have open, and we can see when you move from file to another. Or you can share your presentation only, which would only allow us to view the presentation. If you choose the first option, so sharing your screen, you may actually have to do some video editing. So to minimize efforts, I personally prefer to use the second option, so only sharing my presentation. If you have sound, so any audio file, or video playing in your presentation, make sure you hit these two buttons here. If you hit these, we would be able to hear your whatever you play in your presentation. If not, then we would only see the video but not hear it. Now, since you're ready, you choose your window and you optimize for sound and video, press share, and you're now sharing your screen. Now go to presentation mode. And once you're comfortable with your presentation and you have your script ready and you feel ready to start your recording, go to Zoom. You would have a Zoom window here. Go to More, and you would have your recording options here. Now, there are two recording options. If you have a licensed account, you would have, so a paid account, you could record on your computer, or you could record to the cloud. If you don't have a paid account, so if you have a free one, you would only be able to record on the computer. I personally prefer to use record on this computer because it gives a better video quality, and it's also a safe option. Sometimes, in very rare occasions, saving to the cloud or recording to the cloud could actually, you could lose your recording that way, especially if you face any connection issues while recording. So I would record in this and start recording. Now you can run your presentation in whatever way you feel. And then once you're done with your presentation, you can go up back again to Zoom. And again on More and stop recording. Now you have stopped your recording and you can stop sharing. And to be able to see the recording, you have to end the meeting. So you end the meeting for all, and now your video is converting. Now make sure while your recording is converting that you do not do anything else on the computer and that you do not shut it down or put it into sleep. Now, Once it converted, we would have this window coming up. It's telling us where we would like to save the video that we just recorded. You could save it in Zoom. You would have a Zoom folder open. This is by default. Or you could just save it wherever you want. I would like to save it to desktop so it's easier for me to bring it back up. And I would rename it to my presentation, and then I can send it or upload it to wherever I want. Thank you for watching.